you're in a car accident and you're trying to figure out whether you should file a claim against your own auto insurance policy or the other party's insurance policy. So there's several factors you want to consider when making this determination. The first is at fault. If the other party is clearly at fault and the other insurance company is willing to accept responsibility for it, it's sometimes easier to file a claim against the other insurance party. If you file a claim against your own auto insurance policy and you have a deductible on your policy, you are going to have to pay that deductible up front when your car is fixed. And then when your insurance company goes and asks for the money against the other insurance company and then they get it back, they will reimburse you that amount. A lot of people don't like to take that step. They don't want to float that money for a period of time. So in those cases, if there's a clearly at fault situation where you are not at fault, sometimes it is more efficient for you to file the claim with the other party's insurance company. Now, there are some circumstances where you definitely need to file a claim against your own policy, on your own policy. So if there are injuries, every New York State auto policy includes personal injury protection, which covers your medical expenses and your lost wages if you're in an accident, regardless of who is at fault. It does not matter. They are going to pay for your own medical expenses. So if anyone in your vehicle, you or your passengers, was injured and seek medical attention, you need to file a claim on your own auto insurance policy. If you're in an accident with somebody else who had maybe the state minimum limits of liability coverage and your medical expenses and lost wages are exceeding your personal injury protection coverage, and you need to file a claim against the other party as well, and it exceeds their limits, you need to file a claim on your own policy for the uninsured motorist coverage for there. And basically that protects you from other people who don't have insurance or that don't carry as high limits as you do. And lastly, if you have rental car coverage on your policy, if you drive a minivan or a big Chevy Suburban extended cab with 3 rows of seats, and you have kids that you need to cart to practices and to school and everything, and the other insurance company is trying to stick you in a rental car that's a 2-door, basically 2-seater that's not working for you, but your insurance policy covers a higher limit for rental for you that can get you into a more comfortable car, you might want to consider filing a claim against your own policy, just so you have a better experience, a better comfort level while your car is being repaired. So now in most cases, if the other party is at fault and there's no injuries, and the other party is going to cover your rental car to the standard that you want, it's probably more efficient to file a claim against the at-fault party's insurance policy. But in any of those other circumstances where there's injuries, or you have to file uninsured motorist claims, or you want a higher rental amount, you would want to file a claim on your own insurance policy. So I hope you found this tip helpful. If you would like us to review your insurance and provide you with a no obligation quote for your auto, home, or business insurance, feel free to give us a call. Thanks, everybody.